Welcome back to Fresh.
We in the biz have had to do other stuff to survive in the game.
Like this show that was written by hits.
And we're all his mates.
Pretty cool, eh? But check out this guy.
First feature film in the world.
Shot entirely in Samoa, all in Samoan language.
I wish he was our mate, eh?
Sad.
What
I'm still here,
He's
man.
right there.
Sorry, bro.
So you just move on to your mates just like that?
I'm still your mate.
I'm sort of your mate.
You're my best
cousin,
mate.
but...
Samoa sida o le afa fia de fa ili da we lo DJ Raw feel style suma li me uma ila sila emo mai pe le ila maka fia fa maki mu
Ya lo ngo Tusi Tamasese. Ya. Neka ki I Vaimoso.
We're here in Vaimoso in Samoa, Upolu. This is my village. I was born here. This is where my family home is. I'm here to make my feature film. It's based on a Samoan story. There are many meanings to this picture. It's about marriage. It's a love story. It's about a person's struggle and about the Samoan culture. It's about life.
The initial script that Tusi had written, I knew it was a story that had to be told. You very rarely get to meet someone who's as prolific or has these stories stored away in his mind.
There's some really nice moments when an actor's or actress's performance comes off really, really nicely. Times like that are like, wow man, nicely done Fiola. Moments like that are cool.
He really takes after our dad. He's not one for many words. He's very shy.
He likes legends, and that has led him to being a storyteller. A composer of words, particularly Samoan stories.
When we were growing up, there used to be a show on TV called Sesame Street, and there was a Cookie Monster on it. So we used to tease him a lot about being Cookie Monster. Certainly, I think maybe there was an inkling of a budding imagination there.
Thanks very much. You can go home now. If you're strong-willed and know that this is your calling, well, don't listen to other people. You know, just go for it. You know, people will always talk rubbish and say whatever, but as long as you know where you're going.
That's a wrap.
Hello.